Need to change your TikTok password? Here is how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. From the menu, tap on Account. Then tap on Password to begin the process. Select your email address to receive a verification code to confirm it's really you. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email address. Finally, enter your new, strong password and tap Continue to save your changes. And that's it. Your password has been successfully updated. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials.